Sunshine's my only sunshine. You'll never know, dears, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine.
조용한 차 안에서 엄마에게 선물할 그림을 그리고 있는 한 소년. 그리고 그 모습을 말없이 지켜보는 또 다른 소년이 있었는데, 아빠의 차를 타고 어디론가 향하는 이들은 쌍둥이 형제 엘리어스와 루커스입니다. 긴 시간을 달려 마침내 도착한 곳은 두 형제의 엄마가 살고 있는 집.
고고고.
두 사람은 설레는 마음으로 오랜만에 만날 엄마를 찾기 시작하지만 안방에는 먹은 지 오래되어 파리가 꼬인 상한 음식이 가장 먼저 두 형제를 맞이하고 있었죠.
You're early. I was still getting ready.
예상과는 달리 얼굴에 붕대를 감은 채 모습을 드러낸 엄마의 모습에 조금은 당황한 기색을 보이는 두 형제.
Anyway, it doesn't matter. You're here now. And look at you. So grown up. You're gaining on me. I hate that you have to see me like this, but it's nothing to be afraid of. It's still me under here.
어색한 첫 만남을 가진 뒤 엄마는 짐을 정리하는 아이들의 호감을 사기 위해 준비해둔 선물을 건네고
But you got here before I had a chance to wrap it. So you like it?
So much. Thank you, Mom. Yeah.
Oh, good. Now, if I can get you to help me with a few little house rules, just while Mommy's healing.
자연스레 침대에 앉아 집안에서 지켜야 할 규칙들을 설명하기 시작합니다.
Like no running or shouting in the house. And the sun, it's not good for Mommy's skin, so let's keep the blinds closed. And my office and my bedroom, off limits. So's the barn. You think you can do that?
Yeah. Sure.
Elias, do you hear me?
Yes, Mommy.
Good.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I made this for you.
Thank you, sweetie.
그리고 그녀를 위해 준비했던 그림을 수줍게 전달하고 자리를 떠나는 엘리어스. 몇 시간 뒤 아이들은 엄마와 함께 보고 싶었던 영화도 보고 책도 읽으며 함께 시간을 보내다 잠자리에 드는데
Good night.
You didn't sing the song,
Not tonight, Elias.
but you always sing the song.
You're too old for songs. Close your eyes. You'll be asleep before you know it.
과거에 다정했던 엄마와 대비되는 모습에 엘리어스는 묘하게 서운함을 느끼죠.
Don't you think something's different with Mom? What if it's been so long since we saw her that she doesn't like us anymore? She's our mom. She has to like us. It's her job.
그와 달리 별다른 걱정 없이 이곳에서의 첫날 밤을 마무리하는 루커스. 다음 날 아침 밖에서 뛰어놀던 두 형제는 우연히 눈앞에 있는 헛간을 발견하는데
Mom said not to.
엄마가 정한 규칙을 어기고 안으로 들어간 엘리어스는 벽에 묻어있는 무언가를 발견합니다.
Elias, what are you doing up there?
What were you doing in there? I gave you specific instruction. Stay where I could see you.
Lucas lost his baseball glove.
Stop talking!
결국 엄마에게 들켜 호되게 꾸중을 듣고
From now on, you stay inside.
집으로 돌아와 연고를 바르며 형에게 헛간에서 본 걸 이야기하는 엘리어스.
That spot on the barn. I think it was blood. Probably just paint or something.
걱정하는 그와 달리 루커스는 이를 대수롭지 않게 여기죠. 그날 밤 잠에서 깬 엘리어스는 조심스레 방 밖을 나서다 엄마의 목소리를 듣게 되는데
He's never apart from Lucas. I caught him sneaking into the barn today. I'm telling you, he knows something's wrong. I need him gone.
무언가 마음에 들지 않는 듯 전화로 불만을 쏟아내고 있는 그녀.
Just how much longer do I have to keep pretending?
What did she mean, pretending? I don't know. But she doesn't like that we're always together. What?
다음 날 아침 엘리어스는 눈을 뜨자마자 전날 들었던 이야기를 루커스에게 전하는데요.
Good morning. Hello? Just a second.
방으로 올라가는 엄마를 보고 대화를 엿듣기 위해 몰래 따라가지만
I can't hear anything. Me neither. Say something. Hello?
결국 아무 내용도 듣지 못해 답답했던 두 형제는 잠시 뒤 엄마가 거실에 있는 틈을 타 재빨리 방으로 들어가서 침대 밑에 무전기를 숨겨두는데요. 이때 계단을 오르는 엄마의 발소리에 황급히 커튼 뒤로 몸을 숨기는 엘리어스. 그러던 중 자신의 그림이 구겨진 채 쓰레기통에 버려진 모습을 발견하고 당혹스러움을 감추지 못하는데
I don't think that's our mother. No, that makes no sense. She said she's been pretending. You're just trying to scare me. Pretending to be her. Stop it. Look at her eyes. Green. Blue.
루커스는 자신의 주장에 신빙성을 더할 증거를 보여주며 엄마의 정체는 미궁에 빠지기 시작합니다.
Come on, open up. You know I don't like locked doors in this house.
엄마에 대한 의심을 떨치지 못한 채 대화를 나누던 중 형제의 방을 찾아온 그녀.
I made dinner. Chicken nuggets.
We're not hungry.
그러나 두 아이는 엄마의 호의를 거절하죠. 그날 밤 방문을 막고 돌아가며 방을 지키기로 한 두 사람. 엄마의 방에 설치했던 무전기에서 아무 소리도 들리지 않자 엘리어스는 호기심을 이기지 못하고 엄마가 있는 곳으로 향하는데요. 붕대 대신 마스크팩을 한 채 잠든 듯한 그녀가 진짜 엄마인지 확인하기 위해 조심스레 팩을 들어올리는 엘리어스.
What are you doing? Answer me. What is wrong with you? Come back here.
What's going on? I just wanted to know for sure.
Elias, we do not lock doors in this house.
무례함에 화가 난 엄마의 난폭스러운 모습에 아이들은 당혹감을 감추지 못하고 끝까지 문을 열지 않자 그녀는 급기야 문까지 부수며 방 안으로 들어오죠.
I've tried to be good to you. I've been understanding. I've tried playing along. I've done everything I was supposed to do. And this is how you treat me. Your own mother.
You're not our mother.
What did you say?
Alice, don't.
Get up!
결국 엄마에게 해서는 안 될 말을 내뱉고 마는 엘리어스.
You're not our mother. Our mother loved us.
What did you do to our mom? Where is she?
You're lying, Elias. You're not telling the truth.
Lying, you are! Say it! Say I'm your mother!
I have coddled you too much. Not anymore.
계속해서 자신을 엄마로 인정하지 않는 그에게 그녀는 혹독한 벌을 내리는데
No more calls to your house. No more
We need to leave. It's not safe here.
몇 시간 뒤 아이들은 엄마에게서 벗어나기 위해 거센 빗줄기를 뚫고 가출을 감행합니다.
We'll have to stay here till the storm ends.
우연히 발견한 빈집에서 하룻밤을 보내기로 한 두 형제.
I wonder where Mom is right now. Do you think she misses us? Of course she does. Mom would fight like 100 million bad guys just to get to us. I'm sure she's fine.
형 루커스를 따라 집을 나선 엘리어스는 집에 홀로 남아있을 엄마가 마음에 걸려 쉽사리 잠에 들지 못하자
Tell me a story. Before we were born, when we were still so small that no one even noticed we were there, you and me were one person, like how everybody is. And most people stay that way. But we were smart. And we decided we would split into two. That way we would never have to be alone again.
루커스가 해주는 이야기를 들으며 어느새 잠에 들지만 어딘가 찝찝한 꿈을 꾸고 잠에서 깨어나는데요.
Lucas?
형을 찾다 창문에 찍힌 손바닥 자국을 발견하며 공포에 휩싸이는 엘리어스. 엄마의 잠옷을 입은 괴물이 창문을 깨고 천천히 그에게 다가오기 시작하는데 다행히 그의 앞에 나타난 건 흉측한 괴물이 아닌 경찰관이었죠.
Hey, San, come here and look what I found.
그러나 아이들을 차에 태우고 향한 곳은 다름 아닌 엄마가 있는 집.
No. They're taking us home. They can't. Turn around! Stop! Stop the car! Please!
엄마는 아이들이 궁금해했던 얼굴을 드러낸 채 집 앞에서 그들을 맞이했고
To be out there on a night like this, thank you doesn't even cut it.
You should thank your neighbor. If not for their motion sensor,
I don't even want to imagine.
We do have a few more things to discuss.
무게감 있는 샌디의 말을 눈치챈 그녀는 두 형제를 방으로 올려보냅니다.
Bath, I'll be up in a second, okay?
No one's gonna believe two little kids. Not while she's around. In the morning, we try again. We need to find Mom.
루커스와 엘리어스가 다른 방안을 찾고 있던 그때 경찰과의 대화를 마치고 방으로 올라온 엄마.
They're gone now. No one here but you and me. Do you have any idea what you put me through tonight? I went out there looking for you in a storm. Had to take my bandage off 3 days early. You're lucky I'm not disfigured. I know you're not asleep.
자는 척을 하는 아이들에게 그녀는 꿋꿋하게 하고 싶은 말을 내뱉지만
That's fine. You can ignore me. Be afraid of me. If you want to be, hate me. But I'm not going anywhere. You'll learn to love me someday.
모질게 굴었던 자신의 말과 행동을 견디지 못하고 결국 눈물로 밤을 지새우죠. 다음 날 아침 눈부신 햇살에 잠에서 깨지만 팔이 묶인 채 두 아들과 마주하게 된 엄마.
This some kind of game? I'm not playing.
Where's Mom?
자신 앞에서 진짜 엄마를 찾는 그의 말에 분노하며 미친 듯이 날뛰지만 곧 소용없다는 것을 깨닫고 회유를 시도하는데
Okay, let's make a deal. I promise. If you stop this now, I'll forgive you.
Your eyes. They're blue. Mom's are green.
Is that what this is about? My eyes? Oh my god. Elias, that's my headshot. I wear colored contacts for work. They're in my purse downstairs. Look at me. My eyes are blue.
끝까지 진짜 엄마가 아님을 인정하지 않자 물리적 압박을 가하는 엘리어스.
If we leave now, we can still make it to Dad before dark. Not giving up on Mom.
Jesus Christ!
Where is she?
How many ways do I have to say it? I'm right here, Elias. I fed you. I raised you. I stayed up at night with you. I did everything to make you happy. I'm your mother.
Look, we're wasting our time. She's just gonna keep lying and making up excuses.
루커스의 만류에도 그는 오랫동안 품어왔던 의문을 해소하기 위해 찢어진 그림을 들고 다시 엄마에게 향합니다.
Our mom doesn't throw away our drawings. She keeps them all, even the bad ones.
Okay.
She saves them in a shoebox in the back of her closet.
get it.
No! No, moms don't do this. Moms put band-aids on cuts. Moms play games with their kids. Moms sing their voice to sleep at night. Moms...
아들이 여태껏 서운했던 마음을 모두 쏟아내자 결국 엄마는 눈물을 보이고
Elias, what are you doing? Looking for her purse. Why? She said her contacts are in there.
진실을 확인하기 위해 그녀의 가방을 찾으러 온 집안을 수색하기 시작하는 엘리어스.
It's in here. No contacts. Just like I said. Are you sure? You don't believe me? No, I do, but you're letting her get between us. We need to get somewhere safe. We're gonna find her. I swear.
결국 찜찜한 기분으로 집을 떠나려던 그때 자신을 애타게 부르는 엄마의 목소리를 듣게 되죠.
Alice, baby, I know you're there. There's something I need to tell you.
There you are. My sweet boy. You know, I've been thinking I haven't been myself. But I'll be better. I promise. Could you just cut one loose, just for a moment?
I don't think I should.
Lucas told you that, didn't he? You're a smart boy, Elias. You don't always have to listen to your brother.
그녀는 자신의 행동에 깊이 반성하는 모습을 보이며 아들에게 풀어달라고 애원하는데
Why did you rip up my drawing?
I shouldn't have done that. That was a mistake. Sometimes people just do things they don't mean. I was upset.
Why were you upset?
마음속에 품고 있던 의문에 대한 답을 들으려던 그때
What are you doing?
Elias, listen to me. Don't listen to him. Listen to me. I'm your mother.
Get the tape. What? And a sock. Why? To keep her from lying.
Elias.
엘리어스는 엄마와 형 사이에서 극심한 갈등에 빠지다.
What are you doing? Elias. No, honey. I'm still healing. Please don't.
결국 회복이 덜 된 엄마의 피부에 테이프를 붙이며 그녀의 입을 막아버립니다.
You did the right thing. Together we're strong, right? Alright. We got cookies, goldfish. What about Pop-Tarts? You want some?
모든 준비를 마치고 집을 떠나려던 순간 전날 만났던 경찰관들이 다시 찾아왔고
Can you open the door, please?
Guess what? You're under arrest. Just kidding. Little cop humor. Sorry.
Would you mind grabbing your mother for me?
She went out.
You sure? Because her car's in the garage.
She's more than one car.
Hey, there you go. Says she's not here. You want to tell her we came by? Hey, she probably went into town for a few minutes.
Can we just let him speak for himself, please? Do you know where your mom is?
엄마의 모습이 보이지 않아 걱정되는 마음에 전화까지 걸어보는 샌디.
You know what? Why don't we just give her a quick call, okay?
Oh, Christ. Sandy.
Voicemail.
Satisfied?
Elias, is there something you want to tell me? You know, I have a kid, little girl. She's a lot younger than you. And if God forbid she ever needed help with anything, any help at all, I would hope she would know how to ask for it. Do you understand what I'm saying? You won't get into any trouble.
Okay, we got an overturned tractor trailer off Route 7.
Elias.
무언가 수상함을 느끼며 엘리어스에게 솔직한 이야기를 듣고 싶어 하지만
Everything's fine.
I'm going with or without you.
We'll be back tonight when your mother comes home.
별 소득 없이 떠나려던 그녀는 집안에서 난 소리를 듣게 되죠. 그러나 아무것도 듣지 못했다는 듯 어색하게 인사하는 엘리어스와 상사 게리에 재촉하는 클락션 소리에 결국 자리를 떠나는 그녀.
We're calling an Uber. Where are they?
Elias, that's my headshot. I wear colored contacts for work. They're in my purse downstairs.
No contacts. Just like I said. I forgot my toothbrush. Seriously? I'll be quick.
컬러 렌즈의 진위 여부가 계속 마음에 걸렸던 엘리어스는 고민 끝에 다시 엄마의 가방을 살펴보기로 하고 루커스의 말과는 달리 안에는 컬러 렌즈가 들어있었죠.
You need to let me explain. You lied, Elias. That's her. You have to trust me, okay? Let her go! Elias!
형의 거짓말에 완전히 신뢰를 잃고 곧장 엄마의 방으로 향하는 엘리어스.
She's gonna hurt you! Stop! Elias, please! Open the door! Elias, she's just gonna lie to you!
계속해서 자신을 설득하는 루커스를 무시한 채 엄마를 구출하자 처음부터 없었던 사람처럼 순식간에 형의 모습이 사라지고
Elias?
Mommy?
Baby. Oh, my baby.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
I didn't want to do those things to you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, sweetie. I'm right here. I'm right here.
It was Lucas the whole time.
Shh.
You lied.
No, shh, shh, shh.
He said you were not mom. He said I'd hurt you. I didn't want. When you talk to Lucas, I think something's wrong with him. I just want things to be back to how they were before.
계속해서 루커스를 언급하는 엘리어스에게 엄마는 한 가지 부탁을 합니다.
I need you to come somewhere with me.
Mom, I can't find Lucas.
It's okay, honey. Come on. Let's go.
Lucas?
그녀가 아들을 데리고 향한 곳은 출입을 금했던 헛간.
It's okay, honey. I'm here. I need you to look at it, honey. It's okay. Just tell me what it is.
Paint?
No.
엄마는 진실을 마주하기 두려워하는 그에게 끝내 모든 사실을 털어놓기 시작하는데
You, Elias, you know what it is. Now I need you to say it. Please, please, Elias, no more pretending. I can't. I tried, but I just couldn't handle watching you talking to him all the time and playing with him. Honey, listen to me. It wasn't your fault. It was an accident. You didn't know the gun was loaded. You were just playing. You didn't mean to hurt him.
Please stop.
We can start over.
Stop.
But I need you to see what's real.
No.
Please, just...
사실 루커스는 과거 헛간에서 엘리어스의 실수로 발사된 총에 맞아 이미 세상을 떠난 존재였습니다.
And we decided we would split into two. That way we would never have to be alone again.
Look at it. No more pretending.
You and me are the same. And that's what makes us lucky. I can never hurt you, and you can never hurt me.
That line between reality and fantasy, it's vanished. This is real.
Stop!
No. No more pretending.
Please stop!
No more pretending.
그러나 이를 끝까지 부정하다 실수로 그녀를 1층 아래로 떨어뜨린 엘리어스. 엄마는 의식을 잃은 채 바닥에 쓰러져 있었고
Mom? Mommy?
헛간은 깨진 랜턴에 의해 순식간에 불이 번지기 시작하죠. 결국 공포에 휩싸인 채 황급히 그곳에서 빠져나오는 그 믿을 수 없다는 듯 힘없이 무너지는 헛간을 멍하니 바라보던 엘리어스에게 누군가 손을 내미는데 그 사람은 바로 아들에 의해 헛간에서 죽음을 맞이한 엄마였죠.
You didn't do anything wrong, baby.
환영처럼 엘리어스 앞에 나타나 질책과 원망 대신 두려움에 떠는 아들을 따뜻하게 다독이는 그녀.
And you were so strong.
한순간의 사고로 하나뿐인 쌍둥이형 루커스를 잃어버린 엘리어스는 그 충격으로 형의 환영을 만들어내 현실을 외면하고 있었고 엄마는 그런 그의 행동이 아들을 잃은 괴로움을 계속 떠올리게 만들어 그에게 모질게 행동했지만 엘리어스 역시 소중한 아이였기에 모든 것을 용서하며 짧고 강렬했던 미스터리 영화 굿나잇 마미는 여기서 마무리됩니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.